Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your academic credits with Credential Evaluators. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by gathering all the necessary documents related to your academic credits. This includes transcripts, course descriptions, and any relevant diplomas. Visit the website of a Credential evaluation service. Look for the section that outlines the types of evaluations they provide. Choose the evaluation type that best suits your needs, such as course by course or document by document. Create an account if one is required. Fill out the application form with accurate personal information. Upload digital copies of your academic documents. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. Pay any evaluation fees as instructed on the website. Keep the confirmation of your payment for your records. After submission, monitor your account for updates on your evaluation status. If any additional information is needed, respond promptly. Once the evaluation is complete, download or request a printed copy. Review the evaluation report carefully for accuracy. If you find discrepancies, contact the Credential Evaluator for clarification. Use the evaluation report to apply for jobs or further education. Follow any additional institution-specific instructions if required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.